Welcome back to your beginner class for Pilates. So today we are going to work on our roll up. So now that your legs are straight in the 100, your legs are going to be straight in the roll up. So as you're coming up for the roll up, you're going to keep your abdominals engaged, of course. Always do that. You're going to come up about here. You're going to have a nice C curve. And as much as possible, keep these knees straight. Now, if you come to about here and your hamstrings start to pull, that's fine. That's where your flexibility is. Stop there and come back down and do it day by day until you do get that flexibility. Make sure you're hydrating and drinking plenty of water because that is one of the secret sauces to building flexibility in your body. So, what our aim is to be able to come up and being able to stretch forward while keeping your legs straight. Now my abs are still engaged, which is hard to remember when you're talking, ironically enough. And I am in this nice curve. And then I'm gonna make sure my abs are still engaged. It's almost like the abdominals, I'm pulling them in so much that they're like, no, bring us back down. And so we're gonna roll back down. So let's give that a go for 6 times. Ready, and up for 1, back down, up for 2, back down, up for 3, keep those abs engaged, 4, only go until you feel a slight pull. There shouldn't be any pain in your hamstrings. I believe this is 5. And up for 6. Okay, you know the drill. Let's do the 100 and then we'll do the roll up and then we'll go back into doing our modified series. And begin. I like to put my legs down and then roll back, ready for the roll up, and 6 times. Preparing for single leg circles. Switching legs. Coming up, 4, rolling like a ball. And coming back into single leg stretches. And double leg stretch. And rocking up for spine stretch forward. All right, great job for making it through this class, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next one.